In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spot trade on Binance. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency trading or just looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will guide you through each step in the spot trading process on one of the world's biggest crypto exchanges. Let's get started. First things first, you need to go to the Binance website, open your preferred web browser, and type in the URL for Binance. It's important to ensure you're on the official website to protect your assets and information. Once you're there, you'll see a vibrant platform that can seem a bit overwhelming at first. Don't worry, it's simpler than it looks. Next, you want to locate the Trade button. It's nestled in the bottom menu of the homepage. Clicking this will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to trading. The interface here is user-friendly, designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned traders alike. Once you've opened the trade menu, your next step is to click on Spot. You may notice that it might already be selected, but always double-check to be sure you're in the right place. Spot trading, unlike futures or margin trading, is straightforward. It involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies for immediate delivery. It's a great starting point for beginners, focusing on traditional buying and selling without leveraging borrowed funds. The next step is to select a trading pair. You'll see different combinations of coins available to trade, such as BTC, USDT. This essentially means that you can buy Bitcoin using Tether, a stable coin. Please carefully choose the pair you're interested in trading. Binance supports a vast number of cryptocurrencies, so you have plenty of choices. Now that you've selected your trading pair, you're ready to buy or sell. You'll see options on the screen to either buy or sell the cryptocurrency you've chosen. This is where you put your trading plan into action. Perhaps you've analyzed the market and decided it's a good time to buy, or maybe you want to sell and take profits. Lastly, when you're ready to commit to your trade, click on Buy BTC or Sell BTC. A simple click at this point will execute your order. You'll be prompted to confirm this transaction, ensuring that you're making the right decision. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed. And just like that, you've successfully done a spot trade on Binance. Remember, always keep an eye on the market trends and do your research before making any trading decisions. Understanding the basics of spot trading on Binance is just the beginning of your crypto journey. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.